MSI GF63. The MSI GF63 is a gaming laptop that is designed to provide high-performance gaming capabilities in a portable form factor. It typically comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display and is powered by a high-end Intel Core i7 processor, along with dedicated graphics from NVIDIA GeForce GTX. It also typically has 8 GB of RAM and a solid-state drive (SSD) for storage. In terms of design, the GF63 has a slim and lightweight body, making it easy to carry around. It also has a number of features that are designed to enhance the gaming experience, such as a backlit keyboard, a large touchpad, and good audio quality. In terms of connectivity, the GF63 has a variety of ports and features, including USB-A and USB-C ports, an HDMI port, and a South Dakota card reader. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. Some models also come with a Thunderbolt 3 port, which allows for faster data transfer speeds and the ability to connect to external displays. Overall, the MSI GF63 is a powerful and portable gaming laptop that is suitable for both casual and serious gamers. It offers a good balance between performance and portability and is a good choice for people who need a laptop that can handle demanding tasks while still being easy to carry around.